Today we start the details of p block elements present in the boron group of the periodic table, which is also called group 13. First we see the introduction. What are the group 13 elements? A periodic table has 18 groups numbered from 1 to 18. The main group includes group 1 and 2, that is called S block, and groups 13 to 18 are included in P block elements. The main group elements, with some of the lighter transition metals, are the most abundant elements on Earth, in the solar system, and in the universe. So these S block and P block elements are main group elements because they are most abundant. The group 13 elements are the first group in the P block of the periodic table. All the elements of group 13 are also called the boron family. The periodic table is segregated into S, P, D and F block elements. This segregation is done based on the valence electron. If the valence electron falls on the P subshell, it comes in P block and so on. The boron group has had many names over the years. According to the former conventions, it was group 3rd A in the American system. The group has also gained name trials. The latter name is derived from the Latin prefix tri, that means 3, and refers to the 3 valence electrons that all of these elements without exception have in their valence shell. The boron family contains both semimetals and metals. The first member, boron, is semimetal and all the others, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium, are metals. Now, the general electronic configuration of p block elements, the groups are 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and these have the elements. Group 13 have electronic configuration of Ns2 and P1. Group 14 has general electronic configuration of its elements, that is Ns2 and P2. Group 15 has general electronic configuration of the elements, that is Ns2 and P3. Group 16 has Ns2 and P4, and group 17 has Ns2 and P5. Ns2 and P6, that is completely filled 2 electrons in the s orbital and completely filled 6 electrons in the p orbital, comprised of group 18, that is inert gas configuration. First member of each group, that is group 13, is boron, 14 is carbon, 15 is nitrogen, oxygen for 16, fluorine for halogen group, that is 17, and inert gas, noble gas. Last group, that is 18, comprises of the first member, helium. The elements of group 13 generally follow the periodic trends except for the certain thallium deviation. Thallium does not follow the general periodic trend. Electronic configuration of group 13 comprises boron, inert gas configuration of helium, that is 2s2, and outermost is 2p1. And here we see the trend, that is aluminium has the outermost shell configuration, that is 3s2, 3p1, 3 electrons in the outermost shell. Gallium has 4s2, 4p1, that is 3 electrons again in the outermost shell. Indium has 3 electrons in the fifth shell, and thallium has 3 electrons in the outermost 6 orbital. Now we see the trend in the atomic radius. It increases down the group. Again, thallium has the largest atomic radius. Electrode potential increases again down the group. Reactivity decreases as we go from top to down the group. Ionization energy decreases again going down the group because the electrons are farther from the core and therefore are easier to remove as the size increases. Thallium does not fit this trend. It is thallium is again an exception. Now these 13th group elements show the inert pair effect. Like aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium have 3 electrons in their outermost shell, a full s orbital but only one electron in the p orbital. With the valence electronic configuration, general configuration is ns2 np1. The elements of the boron family adopts oxidation state +3 or +1. The two type of oxidation states are there. The +3 oxidation states are favorable except for the heavier elements only, such as thallium, but most of them prefer +1 oxidation state because only one electron can be easily given out. Inner two electrons are stable, completely filled s orbitals, so they cannot be easily given. So this electron pair remains in s orbital and cannot be given out easily. That is called the inert pair effect. The elements generally follow the periodic trends except for the thallium deviations. Now we see the properties and trends of the group 13 elements. General properties like atomic number, molecular masses, melting point, reduction potential and ionization potential, how they vary and their trends are set in a group. Boron symbolizes by B its atomic number 5, then atomic molecular mass 10.811, then melting point is so high, that is 2076, reduction potential is negligible, ionization energy is 801, it is very high. Then aluminium symbolizes with Al, then atomic number, then its molecular mass 26.9815, then melting point 660, reduction potential is -1.68, ionization energy is 578. It reduces from boron to aluminium, but gallium and indium again have some resemblance in the ionization energy, that is 558 for both of them, but standard reduction potential is very much different, that is -0.56 in case of gallium but 0.34 in case of, that is positive in case of indium. Now last element, that is thallium, has melting point 303, then reduction potential is again increasing, that is +0.72, and the ionization energy is 589. Now we see the trend in the atomic and ionic radii of group 13 elements. Atomic radii of group 13 elements are lesser than their corresponding group 2 elements. This is because the effective nuclear charge increases, which make the size of the atom smaller. The atomic and ionic radii down the group increases due to the addition of a new shell. There is a deviation, however, on moving from aluminium to gallium, that is 143 pm to 135 pm, although it should increase because the size increases, but here from aluminium to gallium it is decreasing. This difference arises due to the poor shielding of the intervening d orbitals in gallium, making the size smaller than aluminium, and that is why here we see the trend changes from boron to aluminium and it is decreasing order, but for aluminium it is more than that of the gallium, and gallium is again less than that of the indium, and further thallium is also increased atomic radii.